got 23 here, and yeah, we're gonna be doing another episode of Subway Surfers, and yeah, let's just get into this. And yes, now it is going fast now, thank the Lord. You know what? Maybe we'll just make to 1,000. We'll see what happens, and yeah. So I don't have any special guests today. You know, we don't have any special guests today, but I'm gonna go see if he's gonna be calling me. Just wait a second. Okay, you guys, I wasn't able to contact him, but yeah, let's just do this. Yeah, I wasn't able to contact him, so yeah, let's just do this. Okay. So, yeah, we're starting things off, making some coins, and hopefully, we will make 1,000 coins. So, yeah, let's just try. Oh, yeah, well, I don't really know what to say, but you guys, I'm not doing any video games. I'm not gonna do any video games until I'll figure out how to give you guys great content. But if you guys want me to do it without great content, just do it right now, or maybe when I get done with this play, then yeah, just tell me in the comments below. And yeah, now we gotta spell Jake, because, you know, we got Jake over here, and we gotta, you know. But yeah, let's do this. Damn. Okay, so far so good. Hold up, you guys. He's calling me right now. I'm gonna go turn the volume down.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so you guys, I managed to,
Hey, everybody. This is his cousin. What's your, William Scott's
23.
I'm not. I got it on myself. See, I can't even get you. So, what's up, everybody? This is William Scott's 23 cousin on the air. That's how you wanted me to say.
Yes, that's good. Okay, yeah, that was my cousin, so, yeah, let's get back into this. And yeah. Oh, crap! Dang it.
He died.
Yep, I died.
Comment down below how many times he dies.
Okay, so that was some heartful words, but I'll take that as a yes. But okay, let's do it 2 more times, or maybe 3 more times. Okay, I'm gonna use this booster.
Yeah. We can change the world. Yeah, change the world.
Okay, I think we had enough of that. I'm just playing. But
Junior, let me see your thing.
see what thing?
Let me see it.
Okay, you guys, hold up real fast. I'm finna show him this thing, but I'm just gonna
text me the thing when you're done, okay?
Okay, hold up.
Or I just get those. It's Junior's. I'm not gonna put nobody. I said I'm just gonna get.
Okay, you guys, I'm back.
isn't watching Subway Surfers review videos.
You talking to me?
I'ma
No,
watch
I'm
it
talking.
like.
Okay, so you guys, that was my dad. Sorry about
You
that.
posted your
Let's go.
last one the other day.
Okay, so yeah, we're playing now.
Junior, I'm gonna call you back after I'm done watching it. Okay?
What? Okay,
Bye.
bye. Okay, you guys, he hung up. Sorry about that, but he had to you know, watch my videos. And he subscribed to my channel. I only got like 3 subscribers right now, but yeah, you know, I'm gonna get some subscribers. Like, this is the last channel I'm doing, because you know I did some other channels, but you know that didn't work out. But yeah, this time it's gonna work out. So yeah, so just watch my videos. Ah, shoot, man, I keep on having 200s. I'm gonna see about double coins. No, I shouldn't get double coins. I'm gonna go to boost. Yeah, you know what, guys? Go to the comment comment sections below to see if I should you know, give me some upgrades. And yeah, he called back. So let me just call him. Okay, so you guys, he's back. It's connected right now. And there you go.
How do you spell your YouTube channel name?
Wait a minute, I had texted to you.
How do you spell it?
I texted to you.
B what?
ILL.
BILL.
Okay, you know what, guys? This might bore you. Okay, so you guys, he was trying to get my YouTube channel, but yeah, he got it right now. And yeah, let's just watch this. And yeah, I'm coming, I'm going, let's go, I'm on. Okay, so I got it, let's do this. I may log into the Facebook. Okay, so you guys, let's go, because I'm gonna win this. Now got 63. 65, let's go, babe. I'm gonna give this all. Oh, okay, now that was just pitiful, but you know, I think that's enough for this video. So yeah, thank you all for watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna look at this. And yeah, oh yeah, if you guys, I'm gonna be doing some more let's plays, like maybe Sonic CD, Minecraft, and yeah, all that stuff. So yeah, bye you guys, and I will see you later.